To give a bit of context, we initially built the Replay product to give developers a visual medium for debugging errors faster. But then we realized there's a whole class of problems not associated with errors, where replays can still help us out. And these include user frustration and user experience problems. So to clarify some terminology, a selector is any DOM element on your page, like a button or a link, and you might not know what a dead click or a rage click is. So a dead click is basically when a user clicks on something on your site and nothing happens for 7 seconds. And similarly, a rage click is when a user clicks on a dead element 5 or more times and nothing happens for 7 seconds. So rage clicks are always a subset of dead clicks. And if a user is rage clicking somewhere on your site, that's a pretty good indication that something went wrong. So let's click into the replay and see if that can help us figure out this dead click. And you can see that this button is actually highlighted for me here, which is exactly the element that was rage clicked on. So we can see in the breadcrumbs that the user rage clicked a whole bunch here. So let's watch the replay and see what happened. It looks like they were clicking on this big red button multiple times and nothing ever happened. So the recording shows me that there's absolutely no feedback or DOM changes each time the user clicks that button. I can totally understand why the user was frustrated in this situation and clicked multiple times hoping it would work. And actually, if I look closer and go to full screen mode, I can see that the Pokemon is out of stock, which the user didn't realize. So that's why they couldn't check out. But we shouldn't just leave our customers hanging with a dead click. We should fix it. To fix this dead click, I might add some sort of toast that pops up that says, unable to add to cart, this Pokemon is out of stock. Or even easier, disable this button entirely so the user will know it's not clickable. With replays, I easily found a frustrating user experience issue that my users were facing that I never knew about. I was able to easily click on my top selector, find an example replay to watch, and figure out exactly what I need to do to solve this problem just from the replay. I can now go talk to a designer to figure out how to make this a better user experience. With the selector widgets and the selector index, you're able to discover so many more replays like this one, where the user is rage clicking and dead clicking on elements on your site.